Want stronger legs even at 90? Eat this every day. Many people believe weak legs after 60 are just part of aging. One day standing up from a chair feels just a bit harder. A few months later, you notice climbing the stairs leaves you out of breath, and soon, even a short walk feels like a full workout. This isn't just normal aging, it's a condition called muscle loss. It happens slowly, quietly, and far too often goes unnoticed. But the truth is, it's not your age, it's your nutrition. Your legs are the first to weaken as you get older. When that happens, your balance weakens, your independence slips away, and your risk of falling increases sharply. But here is the good news. It's not too late to rebuild them. In fact, you can start rebuilding leg strength right from your own kitchen table. Because while exercise matters, what you eat can be just as powerful, and sometimes, even more effective. Your muscles depend on what you feed them. And with the right foods, you can rebuild muscle, restore energy, and stay strong and mobile, even in your 70s, 80s, or 90s. Today, we'll explore 7 powerful, science-backed foods that can naturally fight muscle loss, protect your bones, reduce inflammation, and give you the strength and independence you deserve into your later years. Stay with me until the end, because the number 1 food on this list is probably sitting in your kitchen right now. But almost no one eats it the right way. Before we jump in, I'd love to know, how old are you, and where in the world are you watching from? I'm so curious, where's our HealthEclipse family tuning in from today? Okay, let's get started. 7. Salmon, the muscle restorer. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation and help your body rebuild muscle tissue. It's also loaded with high-quality protein and vitamin D, supporting both muscle and bone strength. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed omega-3s gained more muscle and strength, even with minimal exercise. How to use it? Enjoy grilled or baked salmon 2 to 3 times a week. Pair it with sweet potatoes or greens for a complete muscle-friendly meal. 6. Oats, the steady energy builder. Oats provide complex carbohydrates that deliver slow, steady energy to keep your legs moving throughout the day. They also contain magnesium and iron, essential for muscle function and oxygen delivery. How to use it? Start your day with oats, berries, and a drizzle of honey. Blend them into a smoothie for sustained energy and recovery. 5. Sweet potatoes, or the recovery fuel. Sweet potatoes are a natural source of potassium and magnesium, which help prevent cramps and muscle fatigue. Their rich beta-carotene content fights inflammation, protecting muscle tissue from age-related damage. How to use it? Bake or roast with olive oil and cinnamon. Perfect post-walk meal for leg recovery. 4. Avocados, the nutrient absorber. Avocados are full of healthy fats and potassium, making them perfect for muscle and nerve support. These fats help your body absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K, nutrients that keep muscles and bones functioning properly. How to use it? Slice onto toast, blend into smoothies, or add to salads. 1 avocado a day supports healthy blood flow and energy. 3. Berries, the inflammation fighters. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which fight oxidative stress that weakens muscle fibers. They also improve blood circulation, helping your legs feel lighter and stronger. How to use it? Mix into oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies daily. Frozen berries work just as well as fresh. 2. Greek yogurt, the rebuilder. Greek yogurt is your secret weapon for restoring muscle strength. It's rich in casein and whey proteins, giving your muscles both quick and slow-release protein for continuous repair. It also contains calcium and probiotics, supporting bone density and gut health, both essential for stability and movement. A study in Nutrients Journal found that seniors who included high-protein yogurt in their diet experienced noticeable improvements in leg strength within 12 weeks. How to use it? Have a serving after workouts or walks. Add berries and a drizzle of honey for flavor and antioxidants. 1. Eggs, the muscle repairer. Eggs are packed with leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle growth. They're also a rich source of vitamin B12 and choline, which support nerve and muscle communication, vital for balance and mobility. How to use it: scramble or boil them for breakfast. Add spinach or avocado for an extra nutrient kick. Bonus tip: combine them for a powerful daily routine. You don't need to eat all 7 at once, but combining 2 or 3 daily can create a strong foundation for mobility. Here's an easy sample plan. Breakfast: oats with Greek yogurt and berries. Lunch: salmon salad with avocado. Dinner: roasted sweet potatoes with eggs or yogurt dressing. Small choices add up. Every bite is an investment in your strength and independence. If you found this video eye-opening, hit like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to HealthEclipse for more doctor-backed advice for seniors.